Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to find your Newton wallet address. This is a question I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to help. Before we get started, I want to make sure you understand what a wallet address is. It's like your bank account number for cryptocurrencies. It's a unique string of characters that you use to send and receive crypto. So, how do you find your Newton wallet address? Step 1. Log into your Newton account. Step 2. Click on the Portfolio tab. Step 3. Click on the Wallets tab. Step 4. Select the cryptocurrency you want to see the address for. Step 5. Click on the Generate Address button. Your wallet address will be displayed on the screen. You can copy it or scan the QR code to send crypto to your wallet. Here are some additional tips. Your wallet address is private. Do not share it with anyone you don't trust. Make sure you copy the correct address when sending crypto. Even a small mistake can result in your funds being lost forever. If you lose your wallet address, you can generate a new one. That's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.